Hey everyone, combining cost, performance, and portability into a single fashionable compact, Acer Nitro V14 is a remarkable addition to Acer's lineup. This laptop was created as a flexible option that can be used by both professionals and gamers. Ryzen 7 7845HS CPU with 8 cores. This CPU can easily manage multitasking, video editing, and contemporary gaming. Laptop's 2 RAM slots enable future upgrades, and its 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. Nitro V14 has a 1TB SSD for storage that supports PCIe Express 4.0x4, which guarantees quick game and app loads. With 6 gigs of dedicated memory, RTX 4050 GPU offers remarkable gaming capabilities, including DLSS 3 and ray tracing capability. By making Nitro V14 available in white, a color that isn't often seen in gaming laptops, Acer has taken a risk. Device has sleek and polished appearance thanks to premium plastic chassis, which also hides dust and resists fingerprints. A subtle yet fashionable touch is added by lid's glittering Nitro logo. Laptop feels sturdy despite being made of plastic, but users should handle it carefully because lid and keyboard may bend when pressure is applied. With its low-profile keys and chiclet layout, keyboard offers comfortable typing experience. Quick system modifications are made possible by multimedia function keys and buttons specifically designated for Acer's NitroSense software. Keyboard's handy customization possibilities make up for its absence of a number pad. Touchpad works well for daily operations and is 12.6 by 6.8 centimeters in size. However, an additional mouse is advised for precise work or gaming. The 14.5-inch matte display on the Nitro V14 has a pixel resolution of 2560 by 1600. The screen is perfect for gaming and multimedia work because of its 120 Hz refresh rate, which guarantees fluid graphics. For increased productivity, its 16:10 aspect ratio offers more vertical screen real estate. The laptop's 2 speakers provide crisp, well-balanced audio thanks to the DTS:X Ultra technology. External speakers or headphones are advised for an immersive audio experience, even though they are sufficient for casual listening. The Nitro V14 proves its mettle in actual gaming situations. It produced consistent frame rates in tests for well-known games. Red Dead Redemption 2, 53 frames per second. Far Cry 6, 63 frames per second. Metro Exodus, Ultra settings, 39 frames per second. Assassin's Creed Valhalla, 101 FPS. These outcomes demonstrate how well the laptop can run contemporary games with remarkable frame rates and detail. The Nitro V14 weighs 1.7 kilos, making it lightweight and practical for everyday usage. Its battery life is inconsistent though. Even while it can continue up to 6 to 8 hours when doing simple chores like browsing or editing documents, playing intense video games drastically cuts down on this time. The distinctive white style, potent hardware, and outstanding value make the Acer Nitro V14 stand out. Its overall performance and visual appeal make it a strong contender in its category. Despite compromises in areas like build rigidity and battery life under load, the Nitro V14 is an appealing option for anyone searching for a stylish yet powerful computer. Whether they are a professional or a gamer, let us know what you think about this laptop in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews. Have a nice day, and God bless you.